2, 3, and start.
Thon khat zo hana pung ni chang som panga khovel hi mangai sula khovela thil om te po hi mangai hek chu mi tu po in khovel hi mangai chuan pa mangai na ma
John chapter 2 verse 15. Do not love the world or the things in the world. If anyone loves the world, the love of Father is not in him.
Kiso he ku pachale kuna kiso liata ma upsi chone aku pachara ku jisa aku raita kiso he aku pachaki atala bo ku apachana